Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first, you have to open the settings, then scroll down a bit, find and select display and brightness. Here it is. And now you will notice night shift. Simply click on it, and if you would like to activate it, click here and manually enable it until tomorrow. Here it is. You can also change the color temperature, so you can pick some warmer or cooler color, so it's all up to you. You can also schedule this mode. Simply click on scheduled, and now you can select the period of time in which it should be active, so you can pick either from sunset to sunrise, or you can pick the custom one, and now pick turn on at, for example, 9 and turn off at 6 next day. And from now on, night shift will be active between 9 and 6 next day. If you'd like to switch off this rule, simply click on the same switcher one more time. And that's basically all. This is how you can easily and quickly activate night shift and also personalize it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.